What's up, you guys? My name is Javier, and today we're going to be talking about iOS 17.3 Beta 1 and what's new, and we're going to unpack everything of what's new in this new software update. Starting out, let's talk about the size of this update is 6.39 gigabytes. So that's a big update. Obviously, it's a big chunk of space because it's reinstalling a new beta, it's reinstalling a new software to your phone. As far as the build number goes, so we're going to head over to our settings here. We're going to go down to General, About. So the build number for this is 21D5026F. We also have a new modem firmware update is 1.4000. So the big new feature in this update is stolen device protection. So to access this new feature, let's go to our settings here. Scroll down to Face ID and passcode. And once you jump right in, we're going to scroll down and you're going to see a brand new option. You see a brand new option where it says stolen device protection. So this is off by default. You could opt into this by turning it on. So down here it does say this adds another layer of security when iPhone is away from familiar location such as home and work. Face ID is required to access certain data, and a delay prevents quick changes to security settings. So let's run on setting this up. So this is my first time setting it up. So let's turn on protection. So it just turns it on. You can always turn it off and on if you want. So actually when I turned it off here, it just did pop up this screen. So security delay requires to change stolen device protection. A security required because stolen device is active and iPhone is not at a familiar location. The security delay will last for 1 hour. You will still be able to use your iPhone during this delay. Start security delay. Hit start security delay. Security delay in progress. You get a notification when the security delay ends. You will then be able to turn off stolen device protection. So that's what happens when you hit on that option to turn off protection. It does give you a rundown on what happens. Gives you like a countdown here in the bottom of the screen. Apple did also release a software update to the AirPods Pros for AirPods Pros, AirPods, and AirPods Pro Max. The build numbers for the AirPods update, I'll put them here on the screen. For the AirPods 3, it's 6A307, AirPods Pro 6A307, AirPods Pro 2 6B34, and AirPods Max 6A307. When it comes to battery life in this new beta update, I'm at 94 right now since this morning. Not bad battery life. It's not draining as quickly as we did in the past. It's handling performance pretty well. I haven't seen any drainage or percentage drop since I've updated. So what to expect from Apple for the next beta 2 update? We probably won't be seeing anything till January of next year. So yeah, we probably won't be seeing it till January 8th. That is about 2 weeks away now, but I'm not 100% sure. It might come out sooner, it might come out later. This is normally happens every year. Apple does not release any betas during the holiday week of Christmas and during the week of New Year's. So we'll be waiting a very long time for the next betas. So I want to answer the question for you guys. Should you update to iOS 17.3 Beta 1? We probably won't be seeing another beta for another month or so. And if you're running the betas on your main device, if you're really needing the new update software and features like stolen device protection, then yeah, go ahead and update. But if you don't really need the collaborative playlist as well with Apple Music, then I would wait till the final release. So that is it, you guys, for 17.3 Beta 1. Great new software update, bunch of new features with stolen protection device, collaborative playlist as well. And if you guys did enjoy this video, please drop a like down below. If you haven't yet already, please subscribe to keep yourself updated for Apple News, software. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.